Lightweight security sounds great until you start noticing the gaps. Then you might be wondering if minimal security is actually viable. ESET Home Security Essential promises simplicity without compromised protection. But is it smart design or just cutting corners? In this review, I'll focus on what the Essential plan offers and who would benefit from this subscription. And if you decide that ESET Home Security is the right fit for you, there's a special deal available through the link in the description below. Let's begin by looking at the key features that come with the ESET Home Security Essential plan. As the name suggests, you get many of the security essentials that keep your gadget safe from common malware threats. You'll have real-time protection, ransomware defense, and even a built-in firewall. These are the fundamentals that work quietly in the background to keep your device safe. For extra privacy, ESET offers a secure browser mode to enhance sensitive activities like online banking. Your communications will be encrypted and protected from keyloggers, phishing sites, and more. There's also webcam and microphone protection to ensure hackers can't sneak a peek at your life without your permission. And of course, this wouldn't be a proper home security service without Wi-Fi protection. ESET can scan your network to identify connecting devices, flagging unknown or potentially dangerous devices and other vulnerabilities that threat actors could exploit. Another feature that I appreciate that you wouldn't typically find in an antivirus is anti-theft tools. Once activated, it allows you to track your device's location and activity in your ESET account, so you can see what the thief is doing with it. If you set the device as missing, you'll get basic details about its IP address, network details, and even an occasional snapshot from the webcam so you can see the culprit. Best of all, these ESET Home Security Essential Internet security features won't hog your system resources. In our tests, the software didn't require lots of CPU or RAM resources that would negatively affect performance. And you can further reduce the antivirus's performance impact by activating gamer mode. That way you won't be pestered by pop-ups, notifications, or scheduled scans while you're playing video games. The cherry on top is that ESET's plans are very customizable. You can choose a plan that works from anywhere between 1 and 10 devices, and the subscription duration can be from 1 to even 3 years. The final price will change accordingly, but in my opinion, choosing more devices for a longer time gives you the best price to value ratio. And once you start looking into how to renew ESET Home Security subscription, you'll notice that the renewal price isn't that different from the first term. Regardless of how you customize your plan, the link in the description or this QR code ensure you get the best price on ESET Home Security. There's even a 30-day free trial if you want to try it out before signing up for the long term. Overall, the Essential plan is a great choice for those who want a relatively straightforward antivirus with only a handful of extra features. If you want more advanced perks like a VPN or identity theft protection, consider the ESET Home Security Premium plan or even Ultimate. All right, enough about features. Let's have a sneak peek under the hood to see the underlying technology that makes ESET possibly one of the best antivirus options on the market. At its core, ESET antivirus runs on the NOD32 engine, a well-established system that's been around for years and is known for strong detection and low system impact. Next, ESET uses a multi-layered approach to detect both well-known and zero-day threats that lack familiar signatures. It combines signature-based detection, heuristics, and artificial intelligence. Despite all this, ESET is known for having a small system footprint. It runs without noticeably slowing down your device, which is something that many heavier security suites struggle with. So it's clear that ESET has a lot going for it, but you might be wondering how to use ESET antivirus. I mean, having an all-in-one package runs the risk of the controls being as complicated as a spaceship. Luckily, that's not really the case here. The main control panel for managing everything is the ESET Home Dashboard. There you can see all your connected devices, check their protection status, manage subscriptions, and even install extra security on new devices without needing the activation keys. This is especially useful if you're covering multiple devices or a household. No need to wonder how to stop ESET antivirus or do other actions. You can do practically everything from this dashboard. Regarding device compatibility, ESET works on Windows, Mac OS, and Android, which should cover most people's main devices. Technically, the service works on iOS too, but it gets the short end of the stick in terms of features. In any case, ESET works a bit differently from other antiviruses. It doesn't have a single universal app you install on every device. Instead, you activate the ESET Home subscription, and then ESET installs the correct software for your device through the ESET dashboard. Then you'll unlock all the features that are available for your OS to keep everything safe. If you found all this information helpful, be sure to like and subscribe to the Cybernews channel. Also, don't forget that link down below will give you the best price on any ESET Home plan. All in all, ESET Home Security Essential offers only the security basics with a few extras. It's enough to keep most people safe online, and the customizable plan means you can make it as budget-friendly as you want. Combine this with the discount link in the description, and you can get ESET for pennies, relatively speaking. All right, that's all from me. Leave a comment if you have more questions about ESET or anything else, really. See you later.